Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How we doing? Good morning. Yeah, we had a pretty sharp sell-off there. Not sure exactly what happened. Just taking a look at financial juice here to see 615. Is that a 615 here? That's right at 6 a.m.
Artlist.io.
Having a candle. I don't see anything really. What's 6 a.m.?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I don't see anything specifically that happened. Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Artlist.io.
We did sell off pretty hard there. 6 a.m.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey, Johan. Good morning.
Music licensing.
Yeah, quite
reimagined.
the sell-off this morning, and looks like we're just climbing right now. Pretty 30-point sell-off. This is NQ.
Artlist.io.
223 points. Wow. 223 points and 2 candles there. And I don't see anything really specific. Except for effective Fed funds rate 3.89% December 2nd versus 3.989 December 1st. So maybe we didn't get a price. We didn't get a rate drop or something. Hey Darren, how you doing? I'm not really sure if anybody knows if they heard a news or something about why we sold off here. Let's see.
Artlist.io.
We don't have any specific news at 6 a.m. anyways, even.
Artlist.io.
Look at all these algos.
Music
just
licensing
surrounding the
reimagined.
price with all these orders. Nobody knows what it's doing right now. $370 orders there at 68.40.
Artlist.io.
Be careful though today. Oh hey, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How you doing?
Not bad. How are you? Do you have
Cold.
any idea what happened?
None.
There's like not even any news. Like,
No
Music
news. Just
licensing reimagined.
drop off.
Yeah.
They'll make for a
wild.
big opening range today.
Yeah. Like 40 bars, 40 points in ES,
Oof.
200 and something in NQ.
No idea. Didn't see any news.
Artlist.io.
Dow Jones just ripping right now.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I got nothing for you.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
Yeah, Dow's
reimagined.
basically recovered that entire move already. The entire sell-off is almost gone. Microsoft AI sales quota predicted down. Trump announced that citizens of certain countries will be denied entry. I don't know if that's what it is.
I doubt that.
Yeah, I don't know that that's really a market rocker like that, but maybe the AI sales quota is predicted down.
I don't know.
But you would think Financial Juice would have put it up, whatever it is.
Yeah, so something would have come up.
Artlist.io.
ES looks like it's starting to recover a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll be one sec here.
Artlist.io.
So where are you staying now?
I just went back to Detroit to visit some family.
Okay,
That's about it.
nice. So the family is a family with you?
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
Okay, nice.
I am at a complete and total loss. Microsoft AI sales quotas predicted down. That's like, okay, they've been saying that for the past
Artlist.io.
3 months.
Bassett's talking right now, which is, you know, I guess it's, is it Treasury guy or is he, yeah, U.S.
Bassett, I think.
Treasury Secretary.
Yeah.
Music
But that's-
licensing reimagined.
That's that kind of like after 6:15 at the latest, which is like after the sell-off. So
Maybe that's why it's coming slightly up. Oh man, today's just a day to be careful. That's what it's
Yeah.
going to come down to.
for sure.
Keep your size small. Don't
Artlist.io.
don't do anything too ridiculous. Unless you just really, really want to.
Right?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Dow's already completely recovered that. So
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So anything good happening in the news? Well, we got orders at 68.45 on ES today.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
118 of them up there.
and 68.40 really close there, 3 points.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Value area low is 68.30. I guess we still got another 3 minutes.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, must just be just a normal sell-off. Hey Czar, morning. Treasury guy talking about tariffs and taking them down as not so bad. That's what Darren said.
Yeah, well, we all know lowering tariffs is good for ES and NQ.
Yeah, that's better for the businesses.
But Trump saying anything anymore?
Music licensing
Okay, great.
reimagined.
So he's talking about lowering tariffs, maybe? Okay. You're gonna flip and flop on that more than the
Artlist.io.
footwear that goes by the same name.
Right? Flip and flop more than Crocs. In a minute, they're gonna have PMI final.
Music licensing reimagined.
U.S. S&P PMI or services PMI, anyways.
They're saying tariffs aren't so bad, but are good for the economy. Okay.
Coming from the Economist.
Meanwhile, everybody around here is paying 30% more for everything.
Artlist.io.
But, you know, who the fuck am I? Just somebody who, you know, has to buy shit.
Yeah. All right, we got 10 seconds on this U.S. S&P services PMI final.
Music licensing reimagined.
little bit lower than composite. Slightly under. Those orders up at what was it, 46 or whatever. Looks like they pulled them.
Artlist.io.
Still got the orders at 40. And 6,900 has 159. Which is decent ways away.
Music
I'm putting in a long here.
reimagined.
It's holding that New York pretty good right now. And we're just above value area low.
Oh, that picked up my long. Perfect. We got my long picked up at 32.50.
Very nice.
Stop loss down at 24. Just about the opening range low. I actually put in a take profit this time up at 68.44.
Nice.
Just too many, so
Micros or
Music
minis?
licensing
Minis.
reimagined.
Whew. It's pretty big size.
it's on a single account, and it's this is a big
Artlist.io.
account. I can handle the
Yeah.
$1,000 in drawdown, so ooh, Darren's looking along at 20 or 24.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
We have I was gonna say we have a tiny fair value gap, but it doesn't even look like we do, to be honest. No, we don't.
You know what? I'm pulling out of this
Music
trade.
licensing reimagined.
Kind of rolled over a bit there, eh?
Let's see.
It started bouncing now, though.
I was just about to hit that exit and flatten button too.
Come
Let's
on,
see how
hold
this
it up.
candle closes. I'll take a little profit. And I'm red again. I'm red. I'm green. I'm red.
Oh.
I'm green. It's gonna make me dizzy here in a minute.
Oh, that was... Czar says that was dirty of releasing Microsoft news before the open.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe that is the kind of what happened there. Tariffs are good for his wallet only, Johan said.
Yeah.
He's getting caught up on the chat there.
Not good for my wallet.
Right?
Artlist.io.
So I got one of my evals passed finally yesterday. Those
Hooray!
lucid evals. So
Feeling pretty
Three more
happy
to go.
about that now.
Licensing
What's that?
reimagined.
Feeling pretty happy about that.
yeah, it was so close. You know, it was like it took a couple trades over the last couple days. I haven't actually turned it to a new account yet because I'm trying to decide if I want to just put them all to Tradeovate, but yeah, I'm just a little undecided because I still have everything on Project X until they kick us off.
So why would you not just put that right on Trade of 8 now?
Well, because if I have, then I can't copy trade it with my other one. Because my other ones, I have it's a direct. It is Project X.
Are you planning on trading them the exact same way? Now that you've got that one funded, are you going to trade it like a personal account, or are you going to continue trading it like a prop account?
Yeah, trade it like a prop. So I kind of wanted to just start copy trading them all together as I pass them, right?
Artlist.io.
Yeah. I was trying to get that. What's your discount code on for Trader's Post?
I think it's Mustang.
Just Mustang? Okay. Because I was trying to sign up for that, and then I was like, I hope I didn't miss that sale now.
I don't know. I'll check for you though. Hold on 1 second.
It's still on. Black Friday's sale's still on, it looks like. So
Artlist.io.
I never got. Mustang isn't working.
That work?
No.
Hold on, let me
Music licensing.
pull up Trader's Post here.
Unless they have a special deal through. Oh no. Maybe you know what? That what's it called? I think that sale's gone actually. Unfortunately, because it's not showing. It's only showing 15% off now. That's too bad.
Artlist.io.
Oh no, it still shows minus 40% off with that with BF 4040 BF 40 2025.
Music licensing reimagined.
Starting to sell off a bit here. I think Darren was looking at a long around this area. 2020 or 24. Okay.
Artlist.io.
Oh, you can use code NICJ.
Nick J.
Yep.
Oh, but that only gives us 20% off.
Well, then don't use that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Darren, here's your level for taking along.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, they don't. So that's interesting that they don't give you, they don't give your discount code the same sale.
I think it's just a resting code that's always there.
Okay. I don't know, for the when any prop firm like Top One Futures changes it,
Music licensing reimagined.
for the 57%, right now, my code gives you that. That's interesting. So if I get the starter, it's only one live account included, and then
Artlist.io.
4 paper accounts. So paper accounts mean those are the prop firms, right? Oh, and I won another
Music
account
licensing
off of
reimagined.
prop firm match. Yeah,
I'll be-
nice dip buy.
I'm gonna grab some coffee.
All right.
Artlist.io.
You went long there, Czar?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Nice 30-point scalp. Good job. Oh, you missed your order by 0.5, eh? Damn. Oh yeah, because it only hit 68.20. 25. 68.20.25. So you had your order at 68.20 exactly? Wow. That's unfortunate.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
That's like an instant 30-point winner. That's pretty awesome, hey? The way that thing dipped down and bounced right back up.
Artlist.io.
Nice buy. I'm just kind of stuck at the view up here.
Music licensing
Q&A
reimagined.
ended by Basant. Kind of actually in a bearish fair value gap here currently where we are. Oh, we inverted that, so already on the 5.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Nice aggressive buying paired with those limit orders. Straight bounce up too quick. Yeah, right?
Artlist.io.
We had a green ball, then a red ball, and then a green ball down at the low. There's a lot of
Hey, look at
selling
that.
drop.
Go to grab coffee and I'm back in profit.
Oh,
Music
nice.
licensing reimagined.
That's awesome. It's like, thank you, market.
Thank you. I needed that break.
No doubt. So, sorry, quick question about the Traders Post. Is the paper accounts, is that the prop firm stuff?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Like it says paper accounts, add on paper accounts. Is that for prop firms? Because it's like simulated.
Hold on one second.
Artlist.io.
And then there's add on live accounts. So I can have 1 live and 4 paper accounts.
Okay, all your paper accounts are prop firm accounts.
Okay.
Live accounts are from your personal brokerage.
Gotcha.
Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty big bounce here on the. If you're missing that.
All right, I just added one to that. So I got 3 minis in right now.
Nice.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, Darren. Have a good one. See you a bit later.
Whew. Need to go get more coffee now and let this go higher.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I think that's how it's going to be today. Every time I step away from the computer, it's going to go higher.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I'm locking it in profit here. I'm in about 2 points in profit locked. And we're still going higher here.
I just moved my stop loss up into profit.
It took 5 off there. I'm just going to move my TP up here.
Reimagined.
And I'm break even on my remaining 5 here. Well, 1.5 points in profit locked in.
I got my take profit up at 69.49.
Took another 2 off there.
Moving my stop loss up again, 38.39.
Nice.
Artlist.
Getting a little bit of a ripper here.
Yeah. Gonna probably take one more off here. Yeah, I took one more off there at 45, 44. Look at that, still going.
Well, I just moved
Yeah,
my
two
stop
more.
loss. Moved my stop loss up into $1,000 in profit.
Nice, Nick. I'm being aggressive. But I'm out.
1,200, and I'm out.
That was a nice trade, man. That was beautiful.
Ooh, $1,200.
Nice. Yeah, I made. I'm up at 500, but I think I had 160 in here earlier.
Artlist.io.
I went a little bit heavier. This is one of my. I actually lost max daily loss in this one eval yesterday. I just got chopped up in that price action.
It happens.
And then, but I was being more aggressive because this is like,
Reimagined.
I can only have 5 funded accounts with Lucid,
Okay.
and I have 6 accounts total. So I was kind of like, two of my accounts are a little bit lower than the other ones that are closer to passing, obviously. So I kind of been going a little heavier on the lowest one to see if I can get it to bounce, like get it back up. But kind of worked the opposite yesterday. Oh well.
Artlist.io.
It's going to continue higher here.
Maybe, hey?
Music licensing.
We're at the bottom of that New
reimagined.
York, or just under New York VWAP. We got the midnight up at 68.37 right now. See if it starts playing around inside that channel, or if it's going to bounce off this and go low.
Yeah, this is a huge bearish fair value gap too, obviously, with that sell-off. And we have the point of control up at 68.49. Midnight open 68.54. So we won't be putting our stream to Randy's channel anymore, I guess.
Oh no.
Yeah, he took it all off StreamYard.
Oh.
Probably getting pressure from Austin, I would think. You know, like,
Oh yeah.
why are you letting this guy stream on your stream? I don't know.
I totally forgot that we were streaming to Randy's.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, he did say in the thing that he thinks it's confusing the algo.
Gotcha.
So I mean, I kind of figured that would probably happen eventually after he went full time with ASFX. They got a brand, right? So
Artlist.io.
Yeah, if he's on there full time, just silly not to have his stuff separated.
yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now we just got to sit here and be patient for a little while and see what it does with this VWAP.
Yeah. Because after that move too, it just kind of came straight back down here.
Artlist.io.
Hopefully Darren didn't miss that move. He said he'll be back later, but
Music licensing reimagined.
I hope that didn't mean he left the computer. So Darren's order got missed, hey Nick, by like 0.25 on that dip,
Artlist.io.
on that sell-off there. Pulling back to the overnight VWAP right now, and previous day, just a little bit below previous day.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sitting right on opening range high. Oh, your mic's muted if you were saying anything.
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Artlist.io.
There we go. Broke down into the range a bit there again. Sort of at the VWAP.
Yeah, but now it's just playing with opening range highs, so
Yeah. Sort of a no trade zone.
Yeah, I gotta see what it does with this. I'm not. I
Music
had one good
licensing
trade this morning. I'm
reimagined.
not gonna jump into anything right now.
Yeah, that was a real nice trade.
Do like adding into winners.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so I got a
Music licensing reimagined.
Bullinox? No, Blue Guardian account. Oh, your mic. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Blue Sky, Blue Knox,
Blue Guardian.
Blue Guard. Oh, that's the one from New Zealand.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me know how you like that.
Yeah, I got to sign up with them and everything to get the account, so haven't done that yet.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I just had to update my trading view. I don't know. Are you trading on Trading View at all?
No, I haven't. Well, sometimes I trade my TradeAvate account on there.
Okay. Well, if you're using it today, just make sure it's got everything's updated on it.
Oh, yeah.
Mine was lagging.
Huh.
I just had to close it down and restart it.
Interesting.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it seems like it's working all right. At least the numbers.
Yeah, I just noticed a price difference when I went from my brokerage my personal TradeAvate account over to TradingView. There was a price difference.
Music licensing reimagined.
Still in that channel between midnight and New York, though.
That's the ping pong channel.
Yep.
We had
It's
a
sitting
sell
almost.
ball.
What's that?
We had a sell ball 68.32,
Artlist.io.
294 contracts.
Ooh.
Pretty big order. We had a buy ball though at 68.40 earlier for 368 contracts.
Nice.
I wonder if that's a similar, like them selling it out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Not sure.
Yeah, it's fairly similar size. 368 to 294. But I agree. It's currently kind of in this no trade zone, sort of,
Artlist.io.
until we see some sort of, if we can get below value area low and hold that, then maybe shorts are kind of going to be in play. But as long as we keep holding above value area low.
And we're now
Music
playing with the New York VWAP.
reimagined.
This is bouncing down a little bit. But again, it's just tickling it, so it's still playing in that channel. And that channel is only 4 points. So there's
It's a tight one.
there's no reason to be trying to bounce from bottom to top or top to bottom on it.
Super scalp. 2
Yeah,
points.
you just be taking paper cuts every 15 seconds.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I don't know if YM is sort of leading the way here today, because it looks it's definitely holding up a little better than the other two.
And we have orders down at 68.2750.
Artlist.io.
and 68.45.
Yes.
I mean, if you have a bias and you can hold it through a lot of drawdown, I don't really have a bias, nor do I want to hold it through a lot of drawdown, so I'm not playing with that. But
yeah, 42, 45, 50 orders. And then, 27. And then there's some down at 20, but not quite as substantial, just like 124.
120, yeah. That 287, though, is at 323 at 68.45.
Yeah. Yeah, 323 there.
Oh, that's at 68.43.75.
Yeah, I see that. Got to zoom in a little to get the accurate number.
I'm not looking for exact levels when I'm looking at Bookmap. I'm looking for where the draw is. Get a big red ball on that one.
Yeah, 54 contracts there. Kind of absorbed it, I guess, though, maybe. So we sort of pushed right through that. It's interesting because the two VWAPs, like, it lines up with my 21 EMA. It's like the same as, seems like it's the same as your started, or that midnight VWAP.
Yeah, that seems to happen quite a bit. Some long at 68.38.50.
Nice.
Some one mini.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
But that previous day's VWAP is 68.40. Kind of pushing through it right now.
Moving my stop loss into profit. Just $50.
Music
Green is
licensing
green.
reimagined.
What's that?
Green is green.
Green is green. All right, I made $50. I got stopped there.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Hindsight's 2020. I should have left my stop loss way down.
Right? But it happens.
Target that 68.50 level with the 372.
Music licensing.
Looks like it's trying to go there. And notice how those algos are sort of like following the price, eh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they just keep adding orders on top of it. Looks like they're just trying to pull the price up. Think we're gonna hit 6,900 today.
Yeah, I mean, let's see if we can if we get above the value area high, 68.63, then I would say for sure there's a really good chance. It could have been the sell-off that they needed to accumulate a bunch more orders. Maybe that's manipulation. I'm just going to distribute on the way up.
There's always manipulation. Come on.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, well that push was a little short-lived there. So hindsight doesn't say that that trade was wrong to stop it out where it did, but
yeah, but
could have squeezed some more out of it, right?
I don't know. This still got a minute on this 5-minute candle, and it's only 10:19. So
yeah, so pretty early.
10 more minutes before the initial balance is set. So
crude inventory in
Music licensing
10
reimagined.
minutes, I think. Yeah. Crude oil in 10 minutes.
All right, I'm done fooling around with this one. I'm switching it over from ES to MES. I don't feel like giving back the profits that I've already taken today, so.
Yeah. Since you're up nicely,
yeah, I'm
down.
up pretty well, so.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gonna make sure that my my risk settings are in place, so that way I stay green on the day, no matter what.
Yeah. Even if you get a super Trump candle.
Artlist.io.
Kind of holding that 21 EMA, which I guess is similar to your midnight VWAP, and which is opening range high.
Music licensing reimagined.
Because I haven't seen Christine in a long time.
What was that?
We haven't seen Christine in a long time.
Yeah, where the heck is Christine? I know. What was that?
I was gonna say you should message her and say, "Hey, why don't you come on stream sometime?"
I got a message from her the other day. I just asked her how she was doing. She was back from Mexico and all that. I think it took her like 2 weeks to return the message, and it's like, "Oh, I've just been really busy."
Yeah.
Yeah, you trade full time. You're doing all your social media stuff, and you're a mom. I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That was a fun 30 minutes. How's your blood pressure?
Music licensing reimagined.
That was a fun 30 minutes, Zara said. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you long it and then short it, or what? Longed it on the way up and then sold it
Artlist.io.
at the previous debut op. Held the New York there and the 21 nicely.
I am long at 38 or 68, 38, 75, 3 micros.
Music licensing reimagined.
Me too, actually.
It's above that New York and midnight.
Artlist.io.
I want to see if it pushes through that high a day at 68.47.
I'm long three contracts also, but I got my TP set at 44.75, 5 points.
All right.
Music
Just looking for a base
licensing
hit here.
reimagined.
See how it goes. Might add partially into this.
I got my stop loss down at 68.26 even.
Okay, lots of room. Zara's in a small long on MNQ at 25.550.
I haven't even looked at MNQ today.
It's looking almost identical to ES, to be honest.
It was doing that last Friday as well. They were just following each other the whole
Music
session.
licensing reimagined.
Tried to add there, but it seems like it's leaving my order in the dust right now.
I just added another 3 to that.
Got that little pullback there. Got that add in on the pullback.
So my average price now is 68.40.50.
Artlist.io.
I'm leaving my stop loss way down though.
We're getting that crude oil inventories right now. I think I've been it early actually.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I'm starting to really like this trade. This pulls back again, I'll probably add to it. As long as it pull off that that high of day. We still got 4 minutes for the initial balance, so.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I mean, with that sell-off this morning, I can, there's no reason that we're not
Music
going to sort of
licensing
push up
reimagined.
most of that sell-off at some point, because it seems like it's maybe not that warranted, right?
Yeah, I'm not. I honestly don't think that the Microsoft news this morning was that big a deal.
Yeah.
As this is going up, I just put a take profit at 68.60.
Mine's 45.50. 5 points, so on 5 contracts here. Getting there. Get much closer, I'm probably just gonna lock my stop in here.
Yeah, I just saw there were 200 contracts at
Music
68.60.
licensing reimagined.
Just gonna leave it up there and let this go. If it goes for an hour, it goes for an hour. If it goes for a minute, I'm willing to take this little 6 micro loss.
Come on, guys, here we go.
I will be pulling this into my stop loss into a profit.
Yeah, I locked in 97 on that trade. Nice.
Artlist.io.
Pretty clean on the buys today. The buys are definitely winning. I finally got this account
Music licensing
back up above the
reimagined.
initial starting point. I'm up $162. I think it was down to like only 600 drawdown at one point.
Oh, jeez.
So yeah, so I've recovered it probably $1,400-1,500 over the last couple weeks. Just these small, $60 to $100 winners. But it does feel nice when you kind of fix those accounts like that,
Yeah, but when if you're taking, $60 to $100 winners, that adds up real quick.
Yeah. Yeah, and those are,
Music licensing
this trade still looks
reimagined.
fine, but I'm happy with that locking it in there where I did. It was a couple ticks away from my take profit there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, see, YM looks like the leader today. It's above the price at it already broke pre-market high. We got 10 seconds on the crude oil right now. Crude oil, gasoline, distillates,
Music licensing reimagined.
and IB is set.
nice range.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
A decent 30-point range, right?
I just go to. I'll be back 1 sec. Okay.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Zar, you still in that long? It's gonna bounce off that midnight VWAP and it's going back up.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. I ended up adding
Music
another
licensing
6 micros to
reimagined.
that and moved my stop loss up, so I'm up another $460.
Very nice.
That
I took
was,
a tiny scalp on that. I just sat down as it was popping up, and then I locked my stop in profits and got $18.
We're just all green today, aren't we?
Yeah. Wonder what was that though? Like, what caused that pop there? Did we get
Was
crude oil? I mean, they had the 730 crude oil, but I think it showed it came out
Music licensing reimagined.
crude EIA crude Cushing inventories. Oh, Cushing inventories. That was at 730. Oh, they haven't printed the inventories for crude oil, gasoline, or distillates yet for some reason.
So Right here it says dollars down, gold is rising, Bitcoin and crude are both up 1%. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield edges down to 4.07.
Well,
U.S.
And we-
equities are choppy with mixed data.
yeah.
Yeah, no dip, Shippy.
Music licensing reimagined.
And we pretty much we almost recovered that whole like that whole dip is gone now.
Yep.
Artlist.io.
That's what I was thinking, anyways. Like the way we're looking, looks like they want to erase that. Whether or not we're going to continue higher or not, that's a different story. But like I said, if we can get up
Yeah.
above, 68, 63, maybe we're heading to 69,
Music
right?
licensing reimagined.
I would not be surprised if it broke 69 today.
Let's go take a look.
London
at those.
session got up to 68, 62, 50.
Yeah, that wasn't very far before open, right? That was like
That was 8:15 a.m. was when it hit that high.
Yeah.
So I don't see why it wouldn't get back up there today.
Czar's taking a little bit of profit. He was in at 25,500, and it's up 90 points since then on NQ. And he's trimming some right now. And that's
Music
right at the point of
licensing
control.
reimagined.
That's
Nice
really a
trades are.
nice place to take some profits too.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's also 200 EMA, all in this area, so makes
So we
sense
got
to take some.
that's my Great Wall of China.
Yeah,
It's hard to get past it, but once you do,
you're in.
Artlist.
it does. Once you pass that 200 EMA, it does tend to go.
Yeah, the Dow is literally it's been the leader today for sure. It's just like front running everybody, all the other
Music licensing
indices
reimagined.
just look so bullish.
Gold had that dip this morning.
Yeah, what's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's at 92K. Bitcoin has a little bit of a mixed move there. Sold off, same as this morning, and then bounced. And now it's kind of like middle of the sell-off point.
Yeah, I don't generally worry too much about Bitcoin.
And Nvidia erased the decline it made this morning.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, that was a nice piece out there on for Czar. Definitely a good place to take some profit.
Oh, and his MNQ trade?
Reimagined.
Yeah.
Just pulled back all the way down to the start of day VWAP
Good
and
deal.
previous VWAP.
Hopefully he trimmed more than just a little bit off that.
Well, you never know. He's probably holding it for.
Yeah, he may be holding it for, I don't know what Czar's, if he's trading prop accounts or personal accounts, but he may be holding it until next week for all I know.
Yeah, he does hold pretty long.
Music licensing.
But yeah,
reimagined.
VWAP's angled up nice and putting lots of wicks on the bottom side, and making new highs. So everything's looking pretty strong right now.
Yeah, it looks like gold's trying to erase that that drop from this morning as well. 42, 43.50.
Artlist.io.
Yours is 42.43. Mine shows 42.58 right now.
What contract are you on?
Gold
Music licensing reimagined.
MGCG.
Oh, I'm on the Fs. I'm looking at January ones right now.
Is it? I'm pretty sure G is a January.
No, F is January contract.
Okay. G is February.
G, I believe, is February.
February, yeah. Interesting. I didn't
Let me
know that there
switch
was.
mine over.
I didn't know that they had
Yeah.
it every month.
The G contract is the February contract.
Gotcha. Yeah, never. I think my trade or Project X automatically put it to the G. I don't know why it
Really?
skips the F.
Is there more volume on the G than there is on the F right now?
Maybe.
Artlist.io.
Randy went to visit his sister in Toronto.
Toronto.
Yeah.
I'll go meet him in Windsor.
Yeah,
Music
that's
licensing
sort of just
reimagined.
north of you, right?
No, south.
Yeah.
Windsor is south of Detroit.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
But Detroit, like Toronto's north of Detroit, right? That's
Yeah.
why I was just kind of
Toronto
assuming.
is north. Windsor is just south.
Gotcha.
So you said you're
Artlist.io.
what's it called? Project Stupid is just setting you up on the gold G contracts for
Yeah.
February.
Yeah.
There is more volume on the G's than there are on the F's.
Okay. Gotcha. Price is a little bit higher.
Licensing reimagined.
So does that mean there's no arbitrage, right? Like they can't buy G and then sell it at F,
No.
can they? No.
No.
It's like just buy it 58, 10 points up and just instantly go over to the other.
Yeah, no, you can't do that with a futures contract.
Makes sense. So it's not like crypto.
Yeah,
Exchange.
you're not buying. You're writing essentially you're writing a contract that has an expiration date.
Yeah.
So you're not doing arbitrage on a futures account.
Yeah, that was a kind of a. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, that was a kind of a dumb comment.
Oh, I mean, you could do it with crypto. You could do it with
Music licensing reimagined.
tons
Yeah,
of
but you
things.
can't do that with options either, right? So it's kind of the same thing. If you buy
No,
an
but you
option,
can with options. You
Roll
do
it
have
over.
the ability to roll the position out, up,
Yeah.
down, or back. So
yeah. Oh, you can roll it back too. I never knew about that.
yeah, if you have a contract set for, say, December of next year, you can roll that contract to a closer date if you.
Okay.
You're probably going to pay for it, but I honestly don't like holding contracts on options longer than a week right now.
Reimagined.
Yeah, no doubt.
That account for me is all right now. I think I'm holding I'm down to 50 contracts and everything I want in a cash position at the end of every day.
I'm just signing up to that Blue Guardian.
Yeah, I'm really curious about those ones.
Artlist.io.
I've been hearing about them for quite a long time, but I've never done any research on the actual prop firm. I know they've been around for at least a few years.
Yeah. Well, if it's on prop firm match, it's probably pretty decent too, right? Because I think they don't just let anybody get on there.
I don't know that much about prop firm match.
At least that's kind of what Zach was saying there.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking that Arbucci wouldn't really be fooling around with a prop firm or with a company that promotes shit prop firms.
Yeah.
He doesn't seem like that type of guy to me. All right. I just put in another long here.
Yeah, I was looking at that. It's popping up pretty nice. And we're holding above value area high and IB high and point of control. So
Got my long in at 68.52.50. Just one mini on this one. I switched accounts again, so I'm leaving the other two that I was trading this morning alone.
yeah, good idea. I don't know what happened there. I thought I just finished filling out the form just for
Music licensing reimagined.
Blue Guardian, but then it didn't send me anything to my inbox. What's going on here?
Give it a few seconds. It'll happen. I hope. All right, on this account, I'm putting a take profit at 68.57.
Okay, yeah, that's good target. Sort of like
That's my wait a
upper
minute.
band.
Hold on.
Artlist.io.
No, 68.55. I'm sorry. Let me lower this a little bit here. That was the high for the 9 o'clock price.
Music licensing reimagined.
It went into my spam file, that's why.
Get it out of there.
Spam folder. There we go.
Artlist.io.
Interesting thing is though, now I got this account, or like I signed up, but I haven't put in a password yet, so I don't know how they're gonna know.
Couldn't help you there.
Yeah,
Music
there must be
licensing
another.
reimagined.
They must be sending me another link.
You're gonna have to scour your emails to find them.
Oh, there. Here we go. Reset password. Okay.
Artlist.io. licensing reimagined.
You have the loudest damn keyboard.
Sorry about that. Maybe I
No,
should
it's
start,
okay.
start muting that thing when I type. Yeah, I bought it like I said because for gaming before. Just I kind of like the sound, but I never really considered it for for streaming. Right?
Yeah. You liked it for, what'd you say, gaming?
Yeah. I don't really game much anymore now, but
I never have.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
okay. Nice. I logged in. Okay. So what do they want me to do here? So to claim your prize, please create an account with Blue Guardian and reply here with your name and registered email. Okay.
They're also going to want your birth certificate, blood type,
COVID vaccination record.
yeah, COVID vaccination record, a printed copy of your prescription, your eyeglass prescription.
Artlist.io.
I'll be right back.
Sounds good.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right. Well, hey, we got 8 viewers in YouTube right now. Good to see y'all. That's a pretty good turnout for a weekday morning. How's everybody doing in chat? You guys in? You guys out? I think Czar's still holding on some of that long from earlier. Gold is selling back off a bit here down to the point of control. Bitcoin's not doing a whole lot. YM's still hanging out up near the highs. Getting a little bit of a pullback on ES and also on NQ. NQ's pulling back again to that previous day VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Flirting with this PLC, value area high, IB high,
Music
all in this
licensing
level here.
reimagined.
What is this up here? It should be previous day high, not value area high. 68, 63. Here we go.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
We had lost you there for a second.
Yeah. Took a little loss on that one.
Oh yeah. Stop that one out.
Yep.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you were still in that guy or not. But,
Artlist.io.
we had lost you there for a second. Oh. I think I heard my. This is the first time I've ever heard the sound come
Yeah,
through.
I just pulled up my X to see if it was still streaming when it cut out on my computer.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, it should
Music
stay
licensing
streaming, right? Because
reimagined.
it's live.
Yeah,
on-
I wasn't sure if it was the StreamYard or just something on my end.
Yeah.
And that's
That
why
was
you always have a stop loss in.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, because when you went away.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Risk management from the Mustang Trader 101.
Always have a stop loss.
Rule number 1, don't talk about the stop loss. Rule number 2, always have a stop loss.
Yeah.
Or maybe it should be the other way around. Number 1's have a stop loss.
Music
Yeah,
Two
and
is
then
don't talk about it.
reimagined.
And then just shut up and deal with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm only down $150 on that one, so
Okay, yeah, nice stop then for sure.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't really been printing any fair value gaps here. Price has been pretty overlapping. Bullish but overlapping.
Book map is looking a little bit heavy underneath us, but not anything.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got those orders at 68.60, 251. And then 375 at 68.36 ish.
Reimagined.
So my long on a mini went in at 68.45.75.
Wonder if Johan's still here. Haven't heard from her in a minute. Had like 7 people in YouTube, and then we got like 5 in your X and 1 in my X.
Artlist.io.
Really?
So we got 14 viewers right now.
Holy cats. It's almost like somebody likes us.
Yeah. I like the nice, calm trading atmosphere.
Yeah. 2 old guys making money,
Yeah.
or at least
Music
attempting to.
licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
All right, I just added 2 more minis onto that.
Oh, I didn't even know that you had gone long there.
So I got an average price of 68.47.50.
Nice. That means you're already made that loss back.
Got my loss back. So far,
Artlist.io.
this could shoot down on me like that. So I got some of my loss back.
Oh, your stop was in there?
What's that?
Your stop
No,
was
not
in.
yet. No,
Oh.
I have my stop loss down at 68.36.
Gotcha. Yeah, they're struggling a little bit with the point of control right there. Holding above value area high, but not passing the POC just yet.
Put my take profit up at 68.55 for all three.
Nice.
So I'm full out on that one if it hits my take profit. I got my stop loss in profit, $200.
Artlist.io.
I think that's 200. Yeah, 68.48.75.
Okay.
Trying to do math in my head here.
I got long there also at the break of the POC. 68.50.25.
Licensing.
All right.
reimagined.
I
Only
just
looking
added
for 2
one.
points.
I just added one mini to it. Stop loss is still up in profit.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Whew.
Edged your stop there or
Keep
something?
going. Keep going. Keep going. Now I just want this to shoot up to 68.53. If it
Yeah,
does that, I'm gonna
Music
shut my
licensing
computer and
reimagined.
go have a nice day.
Nice. Yeah.
No matter what, this account's in the green for the day. So, and I just took what, $150 stop loss on it. So, oh, is it gonna do
Good.
it?
Go, go, go.
Oh, come on, 2 ticks.
Good.
I just need 2 ticks. Come on, don't fuck with me now.
Artlist.io.
Seriously, it's edging me.
Yeah. we got a new video clip there.
Oh.
Come on.
Son of a bitch.
You go.
I don't even know why I'm still in this trade.
Music
I think just for the
licensing
excitement.
reimagined.
Move my stop loss up to 68.51. Either I'm going to make a little bit of money or I'm going to make a little bit more money.
Come on, pop it. Pop that top. No. Don't go
Break
back.
through. Come on. Don't go down on me. There's your next video clip.
Artlist.io.
Pop that top. Don't go down on me. It's gonna go here. Come on.
Eat it up. And I'm done.
Nice. Mine's like in,
Alright.
I'm getting edged right now too.
You liking it?
I locked in 27, 37, 40, 43 bucks
Good deal.
on four contracts. Yeah, 4 micros.
All right, I am 2,600 for the day.
Very nice. Great day.
Artlist.io.
I'm happy with that.
No doubt.
It is 11:05. My work day is done.
That's always good.
Yeah, I can't complain about that.
So what am I? I'm
I
up
mean-
about 200, 250, 350.
Music
Sounds like your
licensing
workday is done too.
reimagined.
Yeah, it definitely could be. I actually should go get some extra sleep here. Always
Good
behind.
idea.
Always behind.
I read somewhere that you actually can't catch up on sleep, but
Yeah.
I will have a hell of a lot of fun trying.
Yeah.
Anybody still in the trade in the chat?
Yeah. I wonder
Czar
if-
still holding his 2 micros NQ.
Okay, that was at 54. 54. I asked her. I asked the chat earlier if anyone's in a long or anything because we had like 7 people in YouTube, so I was just seeing if anyone's doing anything. Looks like me and Czar.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's it.
Well, either that.
Aaron
or
stepped away, so
Yeah. And Jordan was here earlier. I don't know if he's still around, but Johan was here earlier also in the chat. Yeah, good TP
Oh, man.
there.
looking at this right now where I have my my stop loss,
Yeah,
I couldn't have done that any better. That was pure luck.
nice. Yeah,
Looks like we're gonna form a double top at 68.53.50.
Artlist
yeah,
IO.
right.
So I'm just gonna take one more look at the book map. Yeah, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
Yep, no more trading for me.
Music
good
licensing
call.
reimagined.
So on these 3 accounts, I am definitely happy about that.
I just got a phone call real quick. I think it might be the agent from that. We'll be right back.
All right, Doc, I'm getting out of here. My workday is done.
Artlist IO.
Oh, Dave disappeared. Hopefully he's going to have a pickleball court here soon.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry about that.
Quite all right.
I see your
Artlist IO.
Were you gonna show your chart there or something?
I was going to. There. So what we were talking about before with the
Music licensing reimagined.
crossover with
Here, I'll add your.
hold on one second.
There you go.
So we were talking about when the midnight and the New York crosses over.
Uh-huh.
That channel's just getting smaller and smaller.
Yeah. might
If
be
this
a-
widens, I'm gonna start looking at shorts. If it crosses over, I would just take a long here. I'm not going to today because
yeah.
I'm done for the day, but I just noticed how narrow this channel got right here.
So isn't it though, if it crosses over, you'd go short?
If it crosses over, I go long.
Oh, okay.
If the New York gets above the midnight, this channel would turn from red into green,
Okay.
and I would just take a long on that.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Oh, that one's green, so the New York's above it pretty much all day.
Yep. I do like using this indicator.
Yeah.
If you put it on the 15,
Cool.
Music licensing.
yeah, this is a fun indicator to play with.
Yeah, I see a couple of those 15-minute candles are pretty clean to trade either away from it or to it.
Yeah. Yeah, I threw a Wyckoff spring up on here for today.
Wyckoff Spring?
It's you know that ICT stuff that you all keep going on about?
Yeah.
It's all based off of Wyckoff.
Mm-hmm.
But the Wyckoff springs usually end up, you'll bounce right off them, like here, here, here.
Okay.
Didn't do it at all through here, but when you see bounces like this off of a Wyckoff spring, you're usually going to be long right off it. They don't hold throughout the day normally. Normally. But at that opening, I'm sorry, at that first 15 minutes for an open, they tend to, as soon as it bounces off it, it tends to shoot straight up.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. So wonder why they like what is it? Where do they come? How do they come up with that level?
Honestly, I would have to go back and reread the that whole Wyckoff theory. I read it a long time ago, and I don't remember the vast majority of it.
Gotcha. Yeah. Oh yeah, even those sell-off candles sort of end. So if you're in a short and it gets down to that level, you should probably be closing it. Sort of looks
like this short here.
Yeah.
Close it. As soon as it hits it, just close it.
Yeah.
This is where that reverse position button comes in handy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I've never used that. I've been tempted, but have never done it.
I've probably used it like maybe 3-4 times.
Have you?
Yeah, and one time definitely didn't work. 2 times maybe. It's about 50-50. Where, you know, sometimes I've like taken a loss and then recovered even a bigger winner from doing that, just because, you know, like you have your like defined stop sort of.
Yeah.
And then as it starts going that way, you're like, well, now it's invalid, so it means the price is probably going to continue the other direction. So, but yeah, again, it can negatively, you know, I also did take 2 losses in a row like that. So,
yeah, that's why I don't mess with it.
Yeah, it's usually worth it to just kill it and reassess, right?
Yeah, just call it a day and close your trade up and then reassess and try and get a better entry in the right direction. All right. On that note,
yeah,
I'm getting the heck out of here.
Sounds good.
You have a lovely day. Don't give back any of your profits now.
Yeah, I'm not looking to really. I'm pretty much gonna wrap it up here pretty soon.
Oh, Zara just closed all his longs. It was a good morning.
Yes.
And he's wondering if ES can hold this high end of the PM.
Yeah.
Well,
holding up sort of so far. I mean, we're up holding the 21 EMA.
Yeah, I honestly, I think if it breaks above that 68.60, it's gonna keep going higher.
Yeah, I can see that, especially if that kind of sell off, right?
Yeah, and if you look at the book map, we got orders down at 68.36. Yeah, there's a few down at 68.30. $68.20's got 85 orders on. We shall see. But I'm hoping it does stay up.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
All right, Dak.
Okay. Good to see you.
Hold your profits tightly, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds good.
All right, see you later.
Later. All right, guys, we got 9 viewers on YouTube. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you have a moment, please hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate it. All the support on the channel. We're here, pretty much every day, Monday to Friday, just mostly for transparency and accountability. But obviously, having you guys' support in any way possible is awesome. Much appreciated. So, pretty green in every account so far. Not huge greens. We're up 60 that one, 97 in that guy. What did we got? We got 495 in this account over here, and I think that was the only one that I traded here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Haven't taken any trades in this funded account yet here, this Lucid funded account. And did I take a trade? No, I didn't take any trades in either of my take profit trader accounts. But might as well update my trades here. So let's add it to TradeZella. Export our files and then add it to 50K September 13.
Music
21 account.
Reimagined.
And then the Lucid number 5.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's a pretty good day. 591 profit on the day. Most of it was in this eval, and only 160 in my live account.
Music licensing.
Or not live, but sim funded. But yeah, thanks so much everybody for tuning in. We'll probably stick around for another 30 minutes here if we're gonna possibly take any more trades here. Maybe I'll look to do something in this. Still haven't inverted this this bearish fair value gap from that sell-off on ES. That's could be a key level to be watching there. Let's take this one Artlist.io. Sort of printing a bullish value gap right here, but could be insignificant considering we're still in that big bearish one. Nice little bounce on that last 5-minute candle there.
Reimagined.
That's YM keeps making new highs. Little sell off right now.
Artlist.io.
4 minutes on this candle here. Looking like it wants to go higher, but
Music licensing reimagined.
could be a little risky up there. We're still flirting with value area high and the point of control, sort of lining. That's also lining up with this fair value gap here. So we got 49.50. The point of control.
Artlist.io.
Value area high is 850.50. Midnight open up there, 854.25.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, previous day low.
Artlist.io.
Pretty big sell off here. Kind of erasing most of that last push up there on that last 5-minute candle. Obviously, nothing really serious to worry about,
Music licensing
but hopefully you guys didn't take a long up there. Feeling a little bit of pressure.
Artlist.io.
Are you going to take any more trades today, Zara, or are you kind of wrapping it up?
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, Johan, you'd like to take another trade, or are you? What would you?
Artlist.io.
You're negative $5. Oh, hey, I mean, that's not bad. It could be a lot worse, right?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey, there's Jose. Good morning. How you doing? Did you take any trades this morning there, Jose? So I'm just looking at this Blue Guardian account, and it looks like their platforms are MT5, Match Trader, and Trade Locker. Do you guys, any of you guys have any experience with any of those platforms? It's kind of all brand new to me, so I guess when you get the accounts, you gotta like pick one. I'm not really sure. You're gonna have to do a little research on that. So MT5, Match Trader, and Trade Locker. So it looks like we inverted this fair value gap, guys.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Going to call it a day. Thanks for the stream. Kazar, hey, no problem. Thanks for hanging out. It's always nice to see what you're doing in your trades. Helps us have a little extra confidence in what we're doing also. Since you're usually hitting bangers. We're up to 118 subscribers in my channel now. Thank you everybody who has done that. Appreciate that.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm thinking might end up calling it here in about 2 minutes at 8:30, which would be 11:30 East Coast.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just think I'm gonna lock in these greens, and try not to give anything back in this slower price action. And as the volume slows down here, you can kind of see it's been tapering off here for a bit. It's kind of like lunchtime in New York, so all the bank guys are all out having lunch. At least that's the theory behind it.
Music licensing reimagined.
So one of my first TikTok video has 113 plays, which is kind of the first one that I've sort of got to get any traction. Just looking over the social media stuff. I do need to post something here pretty soon. right, let's go.
Artlist.io.
So how's everybody's month going so far, guys? Here's my calendar on the month so far. So 728 on Monday. Relatively small green, 288 Tuesday, and then 591 today. So decent start to the month. I also had, I guess the Sunday was pretty good also here, 1,700. I mean, technically it's part of the week, but on last month, so all good.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Bouncing up here a bit here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Are we gonna just make another equal high here? Looks like we might be just making another equal high at the moment. Let's see if we can't take it. But we got 2 minutes and 10 seconds on this candle here. Why do I have IB high up here? That doesn't make any sense. Maybe that's previous day high. Should be not IB high. 68.63. Let's go previous day high.
Artlist.io.
Here we go. Getting a nice little bounce there.
Music licensing reimagined.
So NQ just got over the 200 EMA. ES breaking out here a bit. YM sort of up at, just sort of back up at the highs again, making new highs. We do have a bearish fair value gap here, guys, right here. We got 40 seconds here on this candle. Let's see if they're going to invert that. You're up 155, in at 565, out at 59 on NQ. 55 to 59.
Music licensing reimagined.
Very nice. It didn't slow down though, hey? Or 591. Okay, 591. Nice. Yeah, that's a beautiful trade. You closed it right at the 200 EMA. Nice trade. We didn't really invert it there, did we?
Artlist.io.
I guess we did kind of invert it there. Barely.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, they did. It did remove it off of TradingView, so that means we did invert that. So we can get rid of this guy, or at least we can just change the color on it so it's the right color. And then look at this fair value gap on that, guys. Whew. Big one. Sort of trying to hold this inverted fair value gap right now. Took out the midnight open. This big fair value gap is now inverted too. So definitely a bullish morning after that initial sell-off pre-market, because everything is either bullish fair value gaps or inverted fair value gaps. So we're definitely in a bullish mindset. Now, whether or not this decides to turn around on us sometime soon, who knows? NQ hasn't fully recovered. It's from the pullback. ES and YM's well above it. ES basically is right at the price right now. So we did dip into that fair value gap a bit, although it's basically touched the top of this inverted fair value gap. Went in it a tiny bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Like I said, I was thinking to get out at about 7 minutes ago. So thanks so much, everybody, for hanging out, tuning in. Appreciate all the comments, all the likes, all the subscriptions. It looks like we gained 1 or 2 subscriptions in the last, or possibly today. So I didn't really look yesterday, but thank you so much. Kay, Johan, see you later. Jose, have a good one. Czar, good to see ya. Darren, Jordan, my dad was in here earlier. Nick, obviously as usual, was hanging out with us, making some big trades in his big accounts. So see you guys later. Peace out. Have a good day and stay green. And we'll be back live tomorrow morning for market open. Let's kill it again tomorrow, guys. All right. Peace out.